Hello and welcome back to today's more reports on Wednesday the 23rd of September with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hensec Markets. Let's move on to Eurodollar, and this Eurodollar chart is under pressure. 3 days, 3 big strong bear candles actually on Eurodollar, and today we're finding a little bit of support, but we're back at this big key pivot level. Just zooming out, I'll show you how long term this pivot level actually is. Between 110.50 to 111. Big strong pivot level. Time again this has been used as the basis of turning points on the euro. Again, was in back in just before the rally, pretty much bang on. I mean, like what, 110.89 or 110.86, but then that induced the rally back towards the range highs again, and we're back once more to this range, so this pivot level. Big test now for the euro. Because the bulls have sort of supported after that French PMI data, but the pressure is still on. It's only 17 ticks away from 111 figure again, and the momentum indicators are not great. RSI at was at a 6-week low. Stochastics falling away sharply, so it would suggest the pressure is on this pivot level, and it'll be very interesting to see whether it can hold up. Not calling it a breakdown yet, because obviously time again this pivot level has acted as a turning point. So let's just hold off from that for now. I think you'd be looking out for sort of probably a closing level below 110.50 to really confirm on a medium term basis. But near term, you've got the support at 10.86, which I said earlier, and 111 figure obviously, but looking in at the hourly chart, you can see the pressure to the downside every time we get a little mini rally get sold into in the last few days, doesn't it? We've had that rally back towards what I've still got on this chart as a pivot at 111.55 from these lows here, sort of became supportive again. So that again, that sort of hit that pivot and turn lower. So that is your initial level of resistance, and then above that, sort of slightly more important resistance, 12.05 area. These sort of reaction highs from yesterday. So if you saw a move above yesterday's high, then that would, I think, sort of turn around the outlook once again. But at the moment, obviously, we're under pressure. Lower highs, lower lows, pressure on that €1.11. $1.11 level. Momentum indicators on the hourly chart negatively configured. RSI consistently sort of falling over around that sort of midpoint 50 area. So you've just had the unwind, and it's again seems to be falling over. So the pressure remains, I think, to the downside. Again, look at these stochastics in the last 3 days. You've had crossing overs, and you've had another crossover in the last couple of hours. Is that a sell signal? Looks possibly as though it could be. So pressure on $1.11 in due course, I'd say, on this one. Okay, I'll speak to you later. Thank you.